We are here to demonstrate on how to install Rivnuts or jack nuts. They come in many different shapes and sizes. The jack nuts or Rivnuts will typically come with an install tool. This one happens to be tapered. So the proper installation for installing a jack nut is first drill the specified hole into your tailgate. Clean up any burrs. Make sure the jack nut fits in the hole, which it does. Step 2 would be to put the tapered side down on the jack nut and tighten the threaded bolt. The way this is going to work is when you hold the install tool and tighten the bolt, it's going to crimp this jack nut or riv nut like a wall anchor. So we put it into the hole, we put our wrench onto it, and we simply tighten the top bolt until it's snug into the tailgate. You want to make sure this stays down, stays flush. Tighten until snug. Do not over tighten. Loosen the bolt, and the jack nut is installed.